Okay, welcome back. Just like I said in the previous tutorial, the next thing we'll be looking at here is the retype password validation. All right, how we can validate our password. I know, like the example I gave in the previous tutorial, I said whenever you want to register for a particular thing online, you will always see that there is space for you to retype your password. So they announced that the space to retype your password, there is a JavaScript that is used to checkmate the first password you imputed and the password the second password you put in. They are checking it if the password are the same. So if the password are not the same, you have a message that the password you imputed is wrong, or the password does not match. You understand? Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go to the text editor and show you how this works. I'm just going to call this form2.html. okay, form2.html. so I'll copy all of this, since we'll be working with almost the same thing. So I'll just copy this, come to form2 and paste it there. I'll paste it there. Okay, so now what I will just do, I'll just clean up the script, clean up the JavaScript. So after cleaning up the JavaScript, what I will do now is to add, this is a line break, right? So I'll just copy this out. Okay, paste it here. Then here I'll just make a little change. So I will just say retype password. Okay, so here I'll now put password 2. all right, so you have the inputs, this. All right, everything now is very okay. All right, okay, now let's write the script. Now let's write the script for the retype password. All right, so writing the script, now we have give it a type of text, JavaScript. Okay, so we'll give this a function of match password, match pass. Okay, all right, so now we have var first password equal to document, first password equals to document dot my form dot password dot value. All right, so let me just copy this also. So I'll paste this. Call this second password 2. all right, so now make an if statement. You say if the first password is equal to the second password, if the first password is equal to the second password, then it should return true. Return true, right? Else alert password do not match. All right, then return false. Okay, so let's run this and see. Okay, so let's say this, I put this, okay, then this I wrote 1 2 3 4 5. So now that's 1 2 3. Click on register. Okay, there is a mistake here. So this one should be return match password. This should be return match pass. All right, so let's do it again. And just give this a type of submit. And let's refresh. This to be named. This we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. This we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, password do not match. All right, now you can see how you can validate your form. So the next thing we are going to do here is to validate the number. All right, let's see how we can validate number. All right, okay, so let's go back to our text editor. Just create a file, name it number.html. okay, number.html. Copy this, come to number. paste them here. So delete this. Now create our form. Give it a name. Give it a name, my form. Alright. Then on submit, return validate. Okay, return validate. So now I have number. Impute to the type text. With the name num. To give the span of give it a span and also an ID. Give it an ID of num lock. Alright. A line break, and I have impute of the type submit. Okay, and with the value submit. Okay, so having done all this, let's write our script. So give it a function. Gives a function called validate. Gives a function called validate and a var of num to be document dot my form dot num. Occupy dot my form dot num dot value. Alright, so be if num is none, the number is that they have a document dot get elements by ID. Get element by ID numlock. Okay. Inner HTML equal to enter numeric value only. Alright, then we return false. Okay, else return true. All right, so enter numeric value. So you see the difference. So once I type in numbers here and I click on submit, it will go. But if I type alphabets here, click on submit, you tell me enter numeric value only. All right, so and that will be all for the JavaScript form validation. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.